Good afternoon, YouTube. I just received a package from CEC Enclosures, and this is the box that everything came in. You know, I was really surprised. I thought it'd be in a bigger box, but this is great. Haven't got to open anything up, so this is the unboxing. Out of the box, we have 2 rods, fiberglass rods, a little bit of instructions, sticker, business card, your self-tapping hardware. I was really surprised that it came in this nice carry case that I could use after this winter and store it. This will really protect the enclosure from getting scratched and damaged during the summer months. I'll open it up here, slide her out, see what we got. Now, I did order the enclosure with the finger tabs. I ordered the 2 driver and passenger side doors, and then the rear. I am running a 5-inch chop cage. Boy, these are pretty stiff. It's about 20 degrees outside. So here would be your A-pillar with the finger tabs. The reason I went with the finger tabs was so if I change windshields, if I want to run mirrors up higher or mirrors down low, whatever I purchased down the road or whatever I have now, it will always work. Very nice quality. Zipper construction is excellent. Very nice. I'm going to set this one out of the way and we'll go through, because the rear is the one I'm really interested in. Like I said before, I'm running a chopped cage, which I have the CW 5-inch chop. So these should mount right up to it, keeping my fingers crossed. I'm sure Joe's done all his homework. He knows what he's doing, so I have all the faith in the world in him. So these are the 2 door panels. Like I said, I'll move them aside. And the rear. So this is the rear window that will work with the Click 6 harnesses. I thought they would be cut out around the harness, but from looking at it, the way I understand, and I won't know this till I get it put on, it looks like it has extra material on each corner. And the way it looks is that once you get this all fit on your machine, that this extra material, this bolt that you have going across here, will go over the back of your Click 6 harnesses. So actually I like that better, that I don't have to have a slit. It'd literally be 4 slits in there to go around the Click 6 harness. So I think this is going to work out really good. I'm going to let these warm up for, he said, about an hour. I will probably let them warm up overnight. It's late in the afternoon when I received my delivery from FedEx. Took basically one full business day to receive it, so that was excellent on shipping. And I'll let this sit out, and then tomorrow we'll be out in the garage. We'll get this thing slapped on in no time and be ready to ride, which is actually a good thing, because as of right now, if you want to look outside, I'll swing the camera around, let her focus. We're getting snowed on right now. They're calling 1 to 3. We probably have 1 inch of snow right now. But once I get this enclosure on, I'll be out ripping in it. Alright, I'll talk to you guys in a few.